The 90s were an important decade in the crash test world. This is when the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety introduced its demanding moderate overlap crash test. This evaluation concentrates all the crash forces on only 40% of the structure. This new test took many automakers by surprise and exposed how poor their vehicle safety was. In this video, we'll explore some of the most dramatic results from the first few years of this test. From vehicles that experience total structural collapse to those that have seatbelt failure, this video will underscore how much auto safety has improved over the last 3 decades. First up is the Chevy Blazer, which has severe structural intrusion. This caused significant upward motion of the steering wheel. The dummy movement was uncontrolled as it hit and dented the windowsill, and then made contact with the B-pillar. The Mitsubishi Galant has complete deformation of the A-pillar, which shifts back by an incredible 25 centimeters. This causes the window frame to buckle and strike the dummy's head. The Nissan Quest had intense intrusion into the driver's footwell, up to 40 centimeters worth, an extremely high amount. The dummy's head also struck the windowsill. The Kia Sophia seatbelt allowed too much movement, which, combined with deformation of the door frame, caused the dummy's head to be ejected from the vehicle. Structural intrusion in the Mitsubishi Montero Sport caused significant upward movement of the steering wheel. The dummy's head then bottomed out the airbag and struck the steering wheel, and rebounded and hit the B-pillar and roof rail. The Dodge Neon has catastrophic structural collapse. This pushed the instrument panel and steering wheel back, which then struck the dummy. The dummy struck the Ford Aerostar's steering wheel through the airbag, and then the steering wheel fell off and landed in the dummy's lap. Unbelievably, the Nissan Maxima's seat came loose off its track and moved forward by 8.5 inches. This caused the legs to jam against the instrument panel and create a gash in the dummy's right knee. The footwell intrusion was so bad that you can see the tire piercing into the cabin. The seatbelt also allowed too much uncontrolled movement and resulted in the dummy's head striking the B-pillar. The Daewoo Leganza also had extensive intrusion in the lower cabin, which entrapped both of the feet. Dummy movement was also uncontrolled and allowed the head to hit the windowsill and roof rail. The seatbelt in this Toyota minivan allowed too much movement and caused the dummy to dramatically submarine under the lap belt. The Mitsubishi Mirage had uncontrolled dummy movement. The dummy's head hit the steering wheel through the airbag and then, during rebound, hit the B-pillar hard. The Isuzu Rodeo experienced extreme structural intrusion into the occupant compartment, which pushed back the instrument panel and caused severe leg injuries. The Chrysler Cirrus had extreme structural buckling along the roof rail, which severely compromised the occupant's survival space. The dummy's right foot was also trapped in the footwell. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch the Jeep Wrangler's dramatic crash test results, check out this video.